Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Poshmark, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Poshmark, start by downloading the Poshmark app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app on your device. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You can choose to sign up using your email address or your Facebook account. If you opt for email registration, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password that meets the required criteria. Confirm your password by entering it again in the following field. Next, fill in your first and last name as requested. Select a username that reflects your style or brand. Make sure your username is unique and not already taken by another user. After completing these fields, tap on the Sign Up button to proceed. A verification email will be sent to the email address you provided. Check your email inbox for a message from Poshmark. Open the verification email and click on the provided link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Poshmark app. Log in using your newly created username and password. You may be prompted to set up your profile further. Upload a profile picture if desired to enhance your account's visibility. Fill in any additional profile information as required. When finished, you are ready to explore Poshmark and start selling or shopping. Enjoy your experience on Poshmark, where fashion comes to life. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.